everyone, welcome to Everlasting Memories. This is Nidhi Agarwal, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the regular updates. And today we are going to see a very special project which is made for a special client. Even if you guys want, you can order it. All the links is given in the description, and you can even WhatsApp us for the orders. So here is the project, as you can see in the background. This project is a wagon. It holds an anniversary wedding album. So this is been gifted to a client for an anniversary. So if you guys like this video, then do hit the like button and let me know in the comment section how the project is. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. So guys, now let's get into the project. So this is a wagon, beautifully designed. You can see how the entire look is, how I have decorated the wheels with the pearl, with the die cut and with the pearl over here. And I have also used boundary parts. I have cut each and every stripes separately with the foam board, and I have stick to it. I've added a ladder, and you can just see it holds an album. And now you can see the upper decoration, how beautiful it is. So you can see the way I have decorated this. So this is the back part, and like this. Yes, you can just see this project, how beautiful it looks. So now I will open this and I will show you how the album looks, as you have seen the decoration part. So just see how beautiful it looks. So how beautiful it is. You can see I have added pearls, I have added die cuts. You can see this one. And now I'll keep this aside. Now the album is out. Here is the album. So here in this album again I have added a few flowers. Those are called daisy flowers. And I've added die cuts, pearl, and you can see the die cut, and it's written happy anniversary. So it's been gifted for an anniversary. And here you can see it's very interesting part, the bind. I have added charms to it. You can see the charms, and you can see the back part. Even this is very interesting. Now let's get into the album. So let me just keep this little part. So I hope you guys can see this. So let me just tilt up the camera a little bit. Yeah. So now I'll show you how the album looks. So this is the first page. You can see I have added a flap with a ribbon disclosure. So pics of a client has been added. So here one more flaps. So here I have added tags. This is very interesting. I love this paper collection. It is from Everlasting Memories. The whole project is made with only Everlasting Memories paper pack. So if anyone wants, can purchase it. So you see this texture. I love this color combination and the texture it holds. So it will open up like this. left it plain because it looks more beautiful like this. And now this part, it opens up like this, and then photo. So here I have added a small envelope. So when we open, there is a photo card. So again a belly band and the photo bands with the photos. You can see this paper, it's very beautiful. So again a photo mat. So this is from Pink Delight paper pack, where I have cut the one corner and I have taken it as a pocket. So again it ends with a family picture. So you can see, it looks so beautiful. I'm in love with this album. So guys, if you want to purchase this, you can WhatsApp us. We take orders. And yeah, thank you.